Hello, welcome back. Today we have a nice, quick problem here, and it is a pretty interesting solution. So here we have this thing. I mean, I'd rather not to solve it. I'd rather just go with the trivial answer and try my best to prove that it had the only answer is this, or just prove that it has only like two answers or one answer. I prefer not going further if it's an exam. So one trivial answer you can test. One doesn't work. X equals 1 doesn't work, obviously, but x equals 2, you can easily see that it is 8 plus 9, which is equal to 17. So x equals 2 work, and it's a trivial answer. And so in these kind of questions, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to prove that if x is bigger than 2, then obviously this doesn't have answers. No more answers. Why? Because, so I'm just gonna do it for this problem. If x is bigger than 2, then this whole function is continuous and increasing. You can just see it, and obviously you have an insight of it. And so because 17, the function of the right hand side of the equation, is a constant function, which what I mean by that is 17 is just a constant function. It is something like this, and we found that at x equals 2, we found a root for this equation, and now I've proved that. I just can see, you can just test it, that this, the left hand side, the whole equation of f left hand side, if we just named f of x equals x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of x, then f of x for x larger than 2, f of x is always continuous and increasing. And what we mean by that is f of x is the function something like this, which is always increasing and continuous. So you can obviously see that there cannot be another intersection between this function and the 17 function and left-hand side function. And for x lower than 2, you can just see that if you put any number lower than 2, obviously it's lower than 17, and you will end up with this function. And I also put these functions, this exact sketch of these functions, on my Instagram page, so please follow there. And yeah, that was it. So no more answers. The only answer, by the way, it was a trivial one, but you can also go ahead and solve it. There is always a way to solve problems. So the only trivial answer was x equals to 2. So we proved that x bigger than 2 or lower than 2 aren't going to work. So thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments. And please like the video, and see you next time. Bye.